once again, thank you for watching the showing that cut in New York. This time I have a Singer Quantum XL-6000. XL-6000. But this machine, the problem the machine has is the customer brought it in because even though the speed is at the top, you see the speed, you can bring it down, you can bring it up, nothing. Machine very slow. Electronic issue, mechanical issue, malfunction, I don't know. I'm gonna open it up, and then once I check, I will let you know exactly what's happening here. It's not something that you kind of see every day. It's something a little weird that the machine does not speed up. I'm gonna be opening the machine. Once I open and check everything inside, we'll find out exactly what it is, and I will show you. The speedy control here just doesn't work. Doesn't do anything. It doesn't matter how fast I go, how low I go. Doesn't change anything. So in that, here I have, this is the XL machine, X600. Machine is not open. Crazy to get this open, just crazy. I'm telling you, be careful, because all the clips, everything is clipped. You see, if you don't do it right, you break all the clicks, and if you break the clicks, that's it. Look at this. Look at the way this is made. You see, this is a little click in here, another click in here, another click right here. If you break them, the machine will not cover it up. So be careful if you need to open, but the problem is here. Now, this is the speed control right here, and I have the new, because this is not the first time I've seen it. I already measured it. It's not measuring. So when you try to slide it up and down, it's not connecting these two wires. So that means that this speed control right here, slider, is not working. I will replace them. I have the new. I could replace them. I have the new. Just have to heat it up on solder, put solder back in there and get it running. And that's it. But this machine anyway, before I do anything, I will go and make sure that everything is good. I will make sure everything is 100% working fine. Make sure that everything is good. The wire inside looks a little bit dry inside. I'm going to put some grease. You don't want to put a lot of oil in there because, if you put oil, you might just damage everything. It's all electronic board, as you can see. You have many parts he has for the. This is mostly because this machine does embroidery, so you have to be careful with that. So I'm going to go, first of all, replace it. Slide it for the speed control. I want to replace it, and then I'm going to go inside and check everything, go step by step, making sure everything is good, making sure the bobbin winder activated okay. And then once we get this done, we're just going to go ahead and complete the machine again, put it back together, and we'll try it and see how it goes. But I'm 100% sure that because that slider is damaged, that's why the speed control is not working. So in that, here's the machine that I've been working on, the Singer Quantum LX6000. The actually speed control was completely damaged. Now look at this. Very slow. If I speed up a little bit, just gonna turn it around, go back, continue my testing, keep going. So now, as you could see, now the machine is being completed. Now the problem that machine had, it was just that the speed control was completely damaged. As you could see, it was just falling off. Now I could speed it up or slow it down. So that sensor inside that produces the speed on the machine, that sends a signal to the motor to slow down or go fast, was damaged. Now it's been completed. The machine has been put back together. Stitches are good. I'm going to try a different stitch just to try it. Go ahead. I tried the 3-step zigzag. Also good. Now I'm going to go back to the center stitch, which is, the standard stitch. And now you could see that everything is working. The stitches that I select are working, meaning that the screen is working. Speed control is working. Right now it's on red because you lift the foot up, the machine becomes red, telling you the foot is up. You can sew it and bring it down. It becomes green. Now the machine has been perfectly finished. Now the Singer Quantum XL6000 is completely finished. This customer brought two machines. The other one was an embroidery machine that was completely jammed up. I fixed that one too, and this one was just not speeding, so the machine was going wow, wow, wow. Now I replaced that speed control sensor, and the machine is working perfectly fine. So if you have a problem, remember, go into a Singer authorized service center. Do not take your machines to anybody who doesn't know. They don't have the part. They're just going to guess. at City Sewing. The sewing doctor always goes exactly for the problem with the machine, and the machine is working 100%. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor. Remember, questions, comments, anything, leave it below. I will reply you. Unfortunately, I can't do it the same days because I got so many comments, but I'll get to you and I will help you if you have any issues. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor. Bye-bye.